Happy New Year, beautiful people. Thank you for joining me in 2024, and this is 2025. And I want to wish you all a beautiful new year. This year will bring you blessings, increase, abundance. Doors will be opened unto you. You'll be highly favored in your going out and in your coming in. Lines will fall unto you in pleasant places. When others are saying there is a casting down, you will be saying there is an upliftment for you on all sides. This year, God is going to satisfy you all early with mercy. Yes, mercy. You're going to spend the rest of this year in God's mercy, in God's goodness. Only God's goodness and mercy is permitted to follow you. Nothing else. No evil will come near your dwelling or the dwelling of your loved ones. And I want to say a very big thank you to each and every one of you for how you've supported me on this channel since I decided to come back in 2024. And so far so good. You all have been amazing, and I don't want you guys to stop. Please don't always forget to share my videos with your loved ones. Don't forget to put on your notification bells. Don't also forget to hit the subscribe button. It is very important. And the most sweetest one is dropping your likes and comments. Please, they are important. Don't just watch the video. Even if you don't stay long on the video, if you feel you've gotten something already, don't forget to click that like button. Okay, you may not want to wait to the end of the video, but clicking the like button is very, very, very important. The likes, the comments, they mean a whole lot to me, and the comments will also help me in knowing the type of thing hairstyle you want, the type of commentary you want, what you want me to talk about, and all that. And so let's not, the talk, let me not make the talk bore you. Okay, so today the commentary video we want to look at is how to actually do straw curls using your tail comb. Yeah, you can use this kind of blue tail comb right here. You can use the tiny one. I hope it won't stress you if that's what you have, but if you can get a tail comb that is a bit fatter like this, you can use it. We all know that using doing straw curls, the actual straw getter or straw giver is the small rollers, that small tiny rollers itself, or straw. Yeah, some people actually use straw. Okay, strong straw. Even if it's not strong, some hairstylists are so good that they can turn anything to magic. Yeah, but this stylist here is showing us Joju hair. Yeah, that's her name. She's showing us how you can actually use your tail comb. Every salon has a tail comb, and every home there is a tail comb. So, and don't also forget that you can actually do the straw curls even with your natural hair. So I hope you learned something here. Basically, for this hairstyle, you need your tail comb, you need your normal hair gel, and you need your butterfly spray or any other spray that can hold your hair strongly. Okay, because the purpose of this hair is that so when the spray holds it, it won't scatter on time. And for protection, just wear your hair bonnet to cover it when you want to sleep, so that by the time you wake up tomorrow, your curls will still be intact. Sorry about that. So guys, thank you for watching. If you're yet to subscribe, click on it now. You can forget. Okay, then drop a comment, drop your suggestions. This is new year, we need to do better. Then I'll see you guys in my next commentary video. Hope you got something from what she did. Actually, the first thing she did there, if you didn't get it, was a wet damp hair, very important. Then she used the gel, then rolled it, then dried it in the dryer. Then the final thing was applying the strong spray. See you in my next commentary video. Bye.